Hi everyone, my name's Donkey, and today we're back doing another Game Maker feedback kind of thing. So today we're reviewing a game called Fat Ninja. It's an interesting name. It's a platformed, not a platformer, 2D game with a lot of twists that would make it bigger than what a platform game would offer. I don't think this really makes sense. Whatever. You get the kind of idea. It's more than a normal platform game would offer. It's far more detailed than a normal one. Well, that's basically what you said there. And for a start, has an invert view feature, which I found was interesting. I quite like that. We'll see that in a minute. It's 1 level and 7 rooms right now. I could hardly get past the first level when we did it before, but we'll give it a go and see. It is also made Game Maker 8, Studio 8, I think. I don't know, the really old one, whatever it is. Back when I learned that, back when I started doing Game Maker, that is a very old version of Game Maker, to say the least. It's very rare to actually see anyone using it still. Some things right off the bat that I thought were weird. The D key appeared to be the reset button, not the R, which, as I say, is a bit peculiar, especially because D is normally associated with WASD and movement. These guys also appeared to stack, which probably shouldn't happen, whatever these guys actually are. I'm not sure what is a health or what. If I stand, okay, we're just deceased. I don't know. And then when we deceased, we kind of stay here and we kind of glitch, and yeah, it doesn't work great. There also appears to be little glitches like all over the place, like this guy. We're kind of stuck there. We can't move. We can jump, but we can't move whilst on top of him. I don't know if he's meant to be there. I also thought the controls were a little bit weird with the whole switching view or invert view. So it was down, right and left together, which for me, like, if you click them a little bit out of sync, you get this kind of drifting, so you kind of have to mash them all at the same time. It's cool once you get there, but it is really hard to get there, if that makes sense. Also, the UI seems to be a bit messed up there, to be honest. So if we move back over here, so there's lots of stuff going on here. We've got the moving background. I like the background; it's pretty cool. I like the art overall, to be honest, because everything seems kind of fitting. The UI here is a little bit peculiar, but that's probably about it, to be honest. The stacking here is a little bit odd. I couldn't actually get past this bit if I show you. The powers are interesting. They seem a little bit overpowered. Excuse the irony. I can't jump this. Whatever I do, I cannot jump this for the life of me. I'm pretty sure I'm not missing controls because, you know, we've got down. No, that's basically just the jump. It doesn't change anything. I cannot seem to get up there. Like, whatever I do. Oh, okay, we've just glitched that, I guess. I don't know what that's doing there, but you should probably look into it, because it's probably not meant to happen, whatever it is. We appear to be breaking something that's not meant to be broken, I presume. But yeah, unfortunately I can't make this jump, and I don't know if it's just like this one-off thing. Maybe I'm missing a control or something, but I can't do it. Unfortunately, that's kind of all I can review from this. I guess we can look at these. So this is probably meant to go down instead of just being deceased, and these enemies that kind of shoot at you, there seems to be a lot more going on, but unfortunately we can't get past that first level because it's not quite made properly. So this has been quite quick. I'd probably change a few things if I was doing it. I'd change this to just be 1 key. I'd change the D to reset to be R. I'd fix those bugs with the dropping on top of each other, stacking, and also jumping on top of each other. And I'd also probably what did I say? Change the art on the UI and make sure the UI doesn't go over the or under and over or whatever. It should go over the top all the time. It shouldn't slot under another piece. That's the same thing. The art and stuff was pretty cool. The music also we didn't listen to, but it was pretty cool when I listened to it. I quite like that, to be honest. So other than that, that's all I could kind of review from this game. There is definitely needs to be some sort of fixes to get it to do a bit more. But for the moment, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked this review, remember to like, subscribe, what else do you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.